In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to get fast and easily email subscribers for your small business so you can start driving high quality leads with email marketing and grow your business. Hey, what's up marketers? I'm Eduard Dziak, the founder of B2B-digitalmarketers.com, the place where you can learn how to grow your digital marketing effectively to bring more leads for your business. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to build email marketing list from 0 to 5,000 plus without putting any extra effort, step by step. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you find it valuable, because it helps me to produce better videos for you to help you grow your digital marketing and bring you more leads. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. The first step is to create pop-ups for your blog post. The easiest way to start getting subscribers is to show pop-up and ask your readers to subscribe to your email list. And obviously, you must give them reason why they should subscribe to your email list. Therefore, the first reason should be your blog post. If you have provided value and solved the reader problem within your blog post, then your readers are happy to subscribe. And that's the first reason. The second reason should be included on your pop-up, where you should explain more what they can expect if they opt in for your email list. Like for example, subscribe to get the special digital marketing secrets not shared anywhere else. Or subscribe to get the cool freebies, discounts and promotion. Also, later on, once you are having more subscribers, you can use the number as a social proof, like for example mine, just down here. The second step is to insert your subscribe form to your thank you page or your lead forms. This is the second step you should include for you to get more subscribers, especially if you are already getting leads from your website. Then to utilize this, it's another great way to increase your email list number. So there are two ways how you can do that. The first way is adding your newsletter form on your thank you page. You already have a lead, but then not every lead will convert. Therefore, it is better to also capture them for your email marketing later on. If they do not convert, you can add them to your lead nurturing campaign. Or even though they convert, you can do some upsells or cross sales with your lead nurturing. Like this, you will increase your lead conversion rate and maximize your chances to bring more customers for your business. Especially when your customers are not ready yet, with lead nurturing campaign, you can capture them later on once they are ready to buy. The second way is to add a little newsletter checkbox on your lead form with something like, do you want to receive our newsletter with helpful tips and tricks shared not anywhere else? Or something similar like this, and let your leads decide whether they want or not. Personally, I prefer to use the first way to add the newsletter form on thank you page, because I have experienced drop down in lead generation from the forms when I implement the second way. But I recommend you try both and see what works best for you. Alright, and the third step is to create a relevant gated content and promote it across your channels, such as social media, product pages, landing pages and blog posts. Definitely one of the most powerful steps for you to include to get quickly and easily email subscribers on your list. This strategy is used by many marketers to keep growing their email list without actually putting too much effort. Because once you have your gated content such as ebook, white paper, guide, then the only thing what you need to do is to drive the right eyeballs on your gated content. So how can you do it? First, go into your Google Analytics account and look at the most popular pages and landing pages on your website. This will give you an idea what kind of content you should create first. Also, if you're already writing blog posts, then you can take the top 5 or top 10 from a certain category and combine them together. For example, your top 5 performing blog posts about email marketing or digital marketing, and put them together, throw some nice graphics, and there you go, you have an ebook. Also, you can hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to combine your blog post, which is honestly the way how I do it. It is cheap and efficient way to get it done faster so you can focus more on important stuff. I have put the links in description so you can check out the services. For those who do not have a blog post, then there are two ways. The first way is to find ebook writing services, which is not that expensive. Or the second way is to write it yourself. And don't worry if you choose the second option. You don't need to write ebook with 10,000 words, but between 2,000 to 3,000 words are more than enough. And it might take you a week or two if you are not used to writing. And then again, you can hire freelancers to help you with the graphic part. And there you go, you have an ebook. Alright, once you have your ebook, the second step is to share it across your channels, such as social media, blog posts, product pages, and etc. This is the easy part, as you can create exit pop-ups or slide-in bars and more. And once you have more ebooks, then you can personalize your ebooks based on your user interest. For example, if somebody reads article about email marketing and you have ebook about email marketing, then you can use that for the article. This will bring amazing results and grow your email marketing strategy. And it is definitely one of my favorite email marketing strategy to grow my email list. And before I go and let you start growing your email marketing list, let me share with you my 3 favorite email marketing tools to help you if you do not have one. The first one is GetResponse. I love this because they enable me to create really seamless and comprehensive customer journey with landing pages, webinars, lead funnels, and much more. The second is Sendinblue. I love it for its very reasonable price, as you can start literally for free and later on upgrade with some great features. And the third one is HubSpot. I love it because they really put some effort to create nice integration between your website and email marketing to get to the next level. So check out the links in the description and try it out. All of them offer free trial, so you cannot lose anything. So just click on it and check it out. It doesn't hurt and it might help. Oh yeah. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how you can grow your digital marketing effectively and to get more leads for your business. Also, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new and like this video, and leave a comment below if you are planning to start growing your email marketing list. And also check out all the links in the description what I have put for you. Ciao!